students, welcome all. Today I, Jagpreet Kaur, science teacher of DPS Halwani Lamajor, is going to continue chapter number 10. So let's start. So my dear students, in your previous video I have explained you the measurement, the standard measurement, the history of the standard measurement, the conventional methods, the different conventional methods, that is, first is the hand span, second is the cubit, third is the arm, and fourth one is the foot step. Okay, so these are the conventional methods which are not the exact measurement. We don't get the exact measurement from this conventional method, and there is a confusion because it varies person to person. So standard measurement is established, it is discovered, and which is used all over the world in 1916, the 12th General Conference, okay, of weight and the measurements. So, and the next one is, I have explained you some measurements. Okay, so let's discuss that. In the previous video I have explained you the 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter? That is 100 centimeter. 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. And some other units and the measurements are 1 decameter, how many meters are there? 10 meters. Okay. In 1 hectometer, how many meters are there? There are 100 meters. And in 1 kilometer, how many meters are there? There is 1000 meters. Okay. Now the next one is the sub multiples of units. Means if you want to measure the smaller unit, the smaller distance, then how we will measure? So there are some units. 1 meter equals to 10 decimeter, 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter, and 1 meter equals to 1000 millimeter. So if the question has came that in 2 millimeter, for example in 3 meter, how many decimeter? How many decimeter? So how you will take out this? You know that 1 meter equals to how many decimeter? There is 10 decimeter. है ना? There is 10 decimeter. Then, so in 3 meter, how many decimeter? We will just multiply it with 3. Okay. So the answer will be 30 decimeter. Understood? Means we will multiply the number of the meter with the 10, because in 1 meter there is 10 decimeter. Okay. Now the next one that you have to find how many centimeter. Okay, how many centimeter is there in 10 meter? Sorry, okay, in 10 meter. So how many centimeter is there? So you know that in 1 meter, how many centimeters are there? 100 centimeter. Okay. In 1 meter, 100 centimeters are there. So what we will do? We will just multiply 100 centimeter with 10. Okay. So in 10 meters equals to 100 multiplied by this 10. So how much we will get? We will get 1000 centimeter. Okay. So this is it. Now the next one is, if the question will come to find the millimeter. Okay. How many millimeter is there. Okay, so how many millimeter is there? We have to find this in 10 meter. So we know that 1 meter equals to how many millimeter? 1000 millimeter. In 1 meter, how many millimeter is there? 1000 millimeter. So how we will find? We know 1 meter equals to 1000 millimeter. So 10 meter equals to 1000 into 10. So there are 10,000 millimeter. Okay. So I hope you understood that how to calculate the measurements, and if you want to calculate it in a lower measurements, lower the numbers. Okay. So how we are going to measure it. Now move to the next topic. So students, your next topic is making measurement of a length. Means if you want to measure any length, how you are going to take that measurement. Okay. So in making measurement of length of an object, we should follow the following procedures. Means there are some procedures that we should follow while measuring the length of any object. Okay, so the first is place the scale in contact with the object along its length. So first procedure is if you want to take the measurement of the length of any object, so how you will take? You will put the scale in contact with that object. So how you will do? Let's see that. For example, here are two boxes. Okay, here are two boxes, 1 and 2. So this is A box and this is box B. So here we name these two boxes as A and B. Now in this box we put the scale as like straight. Okay, for example, this is our scale and we put it like this. Okay, and we marked it as 0, then it will be 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on like this. Okay. Now here we have arranged the scale as like this. Okay. And here also the measurement is there. Okay, that is the same way. Here is 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So like this we have arranged the scale to take the measurement of these two boxes. Okay. So this is the correct way. Okay, to arrange the scale, to put the scale in the contact with the object. So straight हमें क्या करना है? Scale लगाना होता है, arrange करना होता है, ताकि so that we can get the exact length of the box. Okay. So this is the correct method and this is the incorrect method. Means हमें scale को टेढ़ा कभी arrange नहीं करना होता है because it varies the reading. Okay, for example, this is a box and these two are of same length. Okay, let's assume that these are of same length, and one box, when we arrange the scale in a straight, so the length is it is 7.5 centimeter, and here we can say the measurement, as you can see here, the 7 is coming, so the length is 7 centimeter, which is wrong. Okay, this is not a correct way to measure the length of any object. Okay, so this is the right way. Now moving to the next topic. So students, your next topic is measurement with a scale with broken ends. Okay, so student, this is your scale, for example, as it is not broken, but I am not having the broken end scale here, so I am just giving you an idea that how you have to measure the length of any object with the broken end scale. Because sometimes for example in maths, generally you need a scale to measure the length in geometry part. Okay, so sometimes what happen, your scale get broken from any of the end, from either from this end or either from this end. For example, your scale is broken from the starting point, that is, you can see that this is a 0 point here, and then 1, 2 and 3 are so on, it is going. Okay, for example, your scale is broken from this end here. Okay, so how you will measure the length of an object with this broken end scale? For example, here beta, you are having this box and you have to measure the length of this box, and here is a broken end scale. So this 0 part is from this 0 part, as you know before, 1 0 is there, and this scale is broken, so now you have to measure it with the 1. Okay, तो आपको क्या करना है, अगर आपका यहाँ से ये टूट गया है स्केल, सो 1 फ्रॉम द 1 पॉइंट दिस, ठीक है, आपकी जो ये 1 है पॉइंट, यहाँ से यू हैव टू टेक द मेजरमेंट. ठीक है, अब आपने यहाँ पे से इसको ऐसे रखेंगे फ्रॉम द 1 एंड देन यू हैव टू टेक द measurement of this box. For example, the length of this box according to your broken end scale is 9 centimeter. ठीक है, so now what you do, as you know that it is broken from here, so we count this part as a 1. ठीक है, अब 1 के बाद के क्या होता है, अगर हम यहाँ से लेते, सो द लेंथ आपकी क्या होती, 10 सेंटीमीटर होती, तो आपका 1 सेंटीमीटर तो आपका टूटा हुआ है स्केल. सो व्हाट यू डू, you take this reading as with the broken scale, your reading is 9 centimeter. So आपको क्या करना है, ये आपका 1 सेंटीमीटर का स्केल टूटा हुआ है, तो you will minus this y with 1 centimeter. So how much you will get? You will get 8 centimeter. So the exact length of this box is 8 centimeter. ठीक है, हमने यहाँ पे से 1 सेंटीमीटर इसलिए माइनस किया है क्योंकि हमारा यहाँ से 1 सेंटीमीटर का स्केल टूटा हुआ है, इट इज ब्रोकन. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ योर स्केल इज ब्रोकन हाफ, ठीक है, और इट इज ब्रोकन अप टू फ्रॉम 6, ठीक है, ये आपका 6 से ब्रेक हुआ है, तो यू विल टेक दिस मेजरमेंट विद द 7. ठीक है, अगर हमने 7 से लिया है, and for example the length of any box is 15 centimeter. ठीक है, और आपका 6 सेंटीमीटर का स्केल क्या है, टूटा हुआ है, सो व्हाट यू विल डू, यू विल जस्ट माइनस दैट 6 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, आपका जो लेंथ है, फॉर एग्जांपल इसका जो लेंथ है दैट इज 15 सेंटीमीटर, आपको इस बॉक्स का जो टोटल लेंथ आ रहा है विद द ब्रोकन स्केल दैट इज 15 सेंटीमीटर. ठीक है, टूटे हुए स्केल से जब आपने मेजरमेंट किया इस बॉक्स का, तो देन द मेजरमेंट द लेंथ इज द 15 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ you know that your scale is broken, so is it a box of the 15 centimeter? No. So how much is broken? From the starting means the 6 centimeter of the scale is broken. So what you will do, you will just minus 6 centimeter from this and you will get how much? अगर हम 6 15 से 6 माइनस करेंगे then how much we will get? Can you guess? Okay, so we will get the 8 centimeter. Okay, sorry, 9 centimeter. So the answer will be the 9 centimeter. Understood? Hope it is clear to you that how to take out the exact measurement with a broken and scale. Now moving to our next topic. Now student, I have told you, I have explained that how to take the measurement with the broken and scale. Now how to take the reading. Okay, आपको कैसे रीड करना है स्केल को. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू आर जस्ट this is a line here, okay, and you have to take the measurement. Okay, this is not visible, so I will make with black. Okay, so this is an example, this is a line for example, and this is A point and this is a B point. Okay, now you have to take the measurement of this scale. So how you will measure, take the measurement? For example बेटा, you have to look straight at the point. ठीक है, आपको क्या करना है, स्ट्रेट देखना है पॉइंट में. आपको ना तो इस साइड से देखना है, नॉट लाइक दिस और नॉट फ्रॉम दैट साइड. मीन्स कि आपको स्केल को you have to take the measurement, you have to look the straight. Okay, as it is like this, straight, not from this side and not from like this. It is not also visible, not from the like this, it is not. Okay, so you will not get the exact reading if you will not see straight. Okay, so it is very important to take the reading in a correct manner, and that is the straight. Okay, for example this is a scale here. ठीक है, हमने यहाँ पे एक स्केल बना लिया है and these are the measurements like 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, 5 and so on like this. Okay, and this is the marking point. Okay, for example here, and आपका क्या है, now for example you have to take the mark. Okay, so you will look straight. Okay, this is the eye. Okay, not like this. Okay, so this is A position, this is B and this is C position of your eye. So B and C are the incorrect position. Incorrect position of, okay, incorrect position of taking any reading, and A1 is the correct one. Okay, this one is the correct position. Okay, तो आपको क्या करना है, सीधे देखना है, not from this side, not from that side. A, B and C are the incorrect position of taking the reading. Okay, and A is the correct position of taking the reading of any length. Okay, now moving to the next topic. So your next topic is least count. A scale is marked in centimeter and millimeters. With the scale of this kind, we can measure correctly up to 1 millimeter, that is 1/10 of a centimeter. Basically, this is the smallest unit that we measure is known as the least count of any measuring instrument. That is this is 1/10 is the least count of 15 centimeter scale. Okay, जो सबसे कम यूनिट, जो सबसे छोटी यूनिट जो हम लेते हैं इस मेजरमेंट का, that is known as the least count. Now your measurement topic is complete, and now in the next video we will continue the motion part. Okay, so in that video we will learn motion and the types of motion. Till then, keep learning, stay safe, stay healthy.